In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and update your Google Calendar events. This process is simple and can help you keep track of your busy schedule or plan your days with more precision. Whether you're a student trying to juggle classes, assignments, and social activities, or a professional aiming to optimize your work meetings and deadlines, Google Calendar can be your best ally. So, let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Calendar, open your web browser, and head over to Google Calendar. If you're not automatically logged in, make sure you use your Google account credentials to access your calendar. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The monthly view can give you a great overview of your upcoming activities. Next, locate the event you want to modify or update. This can be any meeting, task, or reminder that you've previously set up. Once you've found it, click on the event name. This action will open a detailed view of your event, revealing all information such as the date and time, guests, and any other pertinent details you might have added. From this detailed view, look for the description section. Click on it if you want to add further details or instructions related to your event. This is a great spot to note down items you need to bring, address any pre-meeting preparations, or attach any files needed for your event. Adding context in the description can save you time and prevent last-minute scrambles. After editing the description, move on to the highlight button. You'll see an icon that looks like a highlighter. Clicking this allows you to make your event stand out visually. This can be useful if you really want specific events to catch your eye when browsing through your schedule. Once the description is to your liking and you've highlighted your event, proceed to the text field where you can type in any further highlights. This feature gives you the flexibility to tag or label your event in a way that makes sense to you. It could be a priority level, a project name, or anything that helps categorize your calendar events more efficiently. Now that you've finished typing, make sure to click on the highlight option to emphasize it. This step makes sure your input gets the attention it deserves and stands out in your calendar. Taking this extra moment to highlight your entry again underscores its importance to you. Finally, after all these customizations, don't forget the crucial last step. Click Save. This ensures all your efforts are stored, making your calendar both informative